Space has always been the ultimate government project. Cold War budgets, national pride, and missions designed for flags, not profits, but that era is quietly shifting. A new space station called Haven 1 is now being assembled for launch, not by NASA, not by an international coalition, but by a private company. And that detail changes everything. Haven 1 is being built by a US firm called VAST, and unlike futuristic concept art that never leaves the screen, this station is now entering real hardware integration, the stage where structures are joined, systems are installed, and spaceflight becomes engineering, not marketing. The idea behind Haven 1 is not to replace the International Space Station overnight. It is to prove something smaller, and far more important, that a space station can be commercial. For decades, low Earth orbit has been treated like a laboratory owned by governments. Access was limited, missions were rare, and the cost of staying in space was so high that only national agencies could justify it. The ISS became a symbol of cooperation, but it also became a reminder of how difficult it is to keep humans in orbit continuously. Haven 1 is built around a different assumption. That orbit can become a service, a place where crews arrive for short missions, where research runs continuously, and where private customers can purchase time in microgravity. Instead of inventing an entirely new crew vehicle, the plan is to use SpaceX Crew Dragon to bring astronauts to the station. This matters because transportation is one of the hardest parts of spaceflight, and Haven 1 avoids that problem by plugging into a system that already exists. Haven 1 is also arriving at a very specific moment in history. The International Space Station is approaching the later stage of its lifespan. It is still one of the most important research platforms ever built, but it is aging. It requires constant maintenance, and it was never designed to operate forever. The next decade will decide what replaces it, because when the ISS eventually retires, the world does not just lose a station, it loses a permanent human workplace in orbit. That gap is what commercial stations are trying to fill, and Haven 1 is one of the first serious candidates to step into that future. What makes this story important is not only the station itself, it is what the station represents, a shift in who owns the next chapter of spaceflight. In the old era, stations were built for exploration, science, and geopolitical presence. In the new era, stations will also be built for customers, contracts, manufacturing, and profit. Microgravity research matters because it enables experiments that cannot be done on Earth. Materials behave differently, fluids move differently, biology responds differently, and those differences can lead to discoveries in medicine, manufacturing, and advanced engineering. But building a station is not like building a satellite. A station must support life, manage heat, handle radiation exposure, provide power, maintain air quality, and remain safe through docking operations and debris risk. That is why the word assembly matters, because assembly means the project is moving beyond announcements, beyond timelines, beyond concept videos. It means hardware exists, and hardware can be tested, stressed, and proven. Haven 1 is not a city in orbit, it is not a science fiction vision, it is something more practical, a small commercial station designed to prove the business case. If it works, it becomes a template, because once the first commercial station is operational, the second becomes easier, the supply chain matures, and the market begins to expand. And that is when low Earth orbit changes permanently. Space stops being a rare event and starts becoming infrastructure. If you want to stay updated on the breakthroughs shaping space technology, commercial flight, and the next era of human presence beyond Earth, stay with Dezhn, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments. Your support helps us explore progress with clarity and innovation without noise.